partnered with Omron to create a connected factory solution that leverages Omron's deep expertise and capability in manufacturing to draw data into a cloud platform where we're able to deliver insights to the plant operators.
For operation technology, Omron is one of the global leaders. We specialize in industrial automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, and IoT. Together with Insight's IT expertise, we could satisfy customers' total solution needs.
Many manufacturing plants have legacy equipment that are hard to connect to a data platform. What Omron really specializes is creating sensors and gateways that allows us to pull that data to the cloud platform where we're able to report and perform artificial intelligence on it. The OEE solution pulls the data from all of the various legacy and new equipment into a standardized data structure where we're able to provide industry-specific KPIs and compare that between sites, plants, and countries.
The OEE solution is a full-stack reporting solution built on Microsoft's highly scalable Azure platform. It's taking into account unplanned downtime, any stoppages on the production line, any waste product, and if the line's not performing as it should, it can help identify bottlenecks and look for ways to optimize the process.
The real benefits of OEE is having that real-time data in the palm of your hands. Once you have that cloud connectivity, you can easily communicate with factories within the country. And just by doing that, you can decrease the production cost by sharing information and sharing production and raw materials within the factories.
By investing in your cloud data platform now, it really helps to unlock future advanced workloads such as AI, machine learning, moving towards completely autonomous operation that really gives return on investment.
Together, this solution bridges the gap between OT, operational technology, and IT, the deep innovation capabilities that exist in cloud technology. It is a true example of IT-OT convergence.